In this video, you're going to learn the easiest way to buy Safaricom shares from the comfort of your home or maybe office, and all that you're going to need is your smartphone. The best time to have bought Safaricom shares, by the way, was during their IPO or when the company went public, and you could have achieved so much by now. But fortunately, the second best time, in my opinion, is right now. Safaricom, which is a leading telco company in Kenya, started at 5 shillings per share during their IPO. That was about 16 years ago, and then rose steadily to almost 43 shillings per share. Can you imagine over that time? If you invested 100,000 shillings at the IPO, then at the peak, excluding all the dividends that you've been earning till then, your shares were valued at 860,000 shillings. And that is 8.6 times your initial investment. And imagine for someone that invested 1 million shillings, their value rose all the way to 8.6 million, excluding the dividends. And remember, Safaricom has been profitable along. And that is the power of investing in shares. And at the moment, the value of this share is at around 13 shillings per share, which is giving you an opportunity to join the bus right now at an affordable rate. So I'm going to show you how to buy the Safaricom shares easily and step by step. So stay with me and please subscribe if you're yet to. I'm going to be using this broker known as Aib Axys, who has made work very easy for us by creating an application called Aib Trader, which is a platform where you can buy or sell shares without visiting a broker's office or doing endless paperwork. Oh, and this is not a paid or sponsored video. I'm basically sharing what has worked well for me. Well, I already did a review or a video review on how to use this application. So if you watch this video, you will have helped me a lot so that I don't repeat everything that I already mentioned here in this video today. So I will leave a link to this video on the description below. So now for today, let's buy our Safaricom shares. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your Aib Trader application or app on your mobile phone and log in. Then come here. Once you've logged in, click on this Market Watch icon and it will bring you to this point right here where you will see a list of all the listed companies. So scroll down to this point right here where it is indicated SCOM, which is Safaricom's share abbreviation. So after you've clicked on this SCOM, over here you can see the prices on offer by different sellers on this side and buyers on this other side, and their bidding prices. After you choose your best price or whatever you feel that you're comfortable with, or maybe the nearest offer, you can choose to bid as well. Then come down to this icon right here, click on it, and it will bring you to this page where you can now make your order. As I already said, I have given an extensive review of using this app, so be sure to check it out for more step-by-step details, especially on how to install, sign up, open a CDS account, top up your account, and every other feature, including how will you withdraw or sell. The link to that video, as I said, will be in the description below, so I won't go into that. So be sure to select the quantity of shares that you will buy. Remember, the minimum allowed is 100 per shares. And don't miss other videos where I explain shares in detail so that you will understand all this jargon. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. And now in the next slot, input the price that you wish to buy at. And let me quickly mention that this is a marketplace. You can offer a lower bid or accept the one on offer. If you offer a lower bid, sometimes you might not find someone to sell you, or perhaps it will take a longer time for you to get a seller willing to take at the price that you're offering. But when you go with the already offered prices, then your purchase will be instant. I prefer this method unless you are buying a huge number of shares where a small decimal like 0.05 or 0.1 may save you big or like become a big bargain. But if it's not allowed, just go with the market price and twende nalo. So input your price here and remember that there is an acceptable range, as you can see right here. You can't bid outside this range, by the way. So now, you also need to select how long you want your bid to be valid. If it has not been taken by then, it will be closed automatically and you will need to make another bid. This especially applies to those who bid a lower than offered price. In other words, you are giving people a chance to consider your offer and a timeline. If they don't consider, ifungwe, then you'll make another bid. You can already see a total right here, which is the basic price, and then click on this buy button. This will bring you to the summary page where you will see the net total that includes all the fees and commissions that the broker will charge. Now, this is the actual price that will be deducted from your AIB accounts. Click on submit and you will have placed your order already. And once accepted, you will have bought your shares and you can see them in your portfolio evaluation, which is this icon right here. While waiting, you can check the order status here. And by the way, you will be notified once the purchase is successful. And just like that, you have purchased your Safaricom shares. Guys, don't just buy 100 shares because I said 100 is the minimum. Do the math depending on the amount that you already have and planning to invest. I used 100 for illustration purposes only, but buy what you can afford and keep buying every other time that you earn to grow your portfolio even bigger with time. I'm telling you, it will surprise you. Now, to understand how to use this app better, be sure to watch this video here. Happy investing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll be glad to hear your feedback, by the way, or comments. You can go back and go through the steps one by one to achieve your goal. See you in the next video.